Today we're gonna make slime. So I'm gonna teach you how to make a slime for students. So here I have a can of activator. So I just put it in here because the detergent that it's so big, it's so tall, so it's not gonna fit in here. So I'm gonna have this. So I just put it in the Tupperware, and of course we need only straw because I have no need for mixing because I don't want a spoon. And here is our Tupperware so we can put our slime making slime. This is nice. And of course we need to be slimy, so we need some electric glue bombs, so it's good to mention. So let's get started. Okay, so first things first, we need to put that in our tubs, and we need some glue hamster. Okay, I'm gonna put the glue in. Oh gosh, I'm gonna just put this a big one so it's not gonna spread out and turn into liquid slime. Oops, excuse me guys, I'm just a little tiny way. Okay. I'm gonna close it up and open the other container. So I'm gonna put all of the glue in a little bit of container glue. But, so it's okay, so that's enough. And a little bit of slime. So we can have more glue to make another slime. So now we're gonna mix it, and now we need an activator. Okay, now we need a small activator. Oh, a little activator, so it's not gonna be present tense and past tense. So it's gonna make a crayon slime. We need more activator, so the activator is gonna fit, and also the glue. So it's all gonna be making slime. It's turning slime. I'm so happy. Oh, let's mix all of the activator and glue in. It's fluffy. Okay, we're gonna mix it up. Mix in. Let's do it with our hands. Wow, it's fluffy. It's fluffy, guys. Even you don't need an activator. Oh my god, look at this slime. Ew, it's stickiness. So let's put some more glue. Only in the texture of glue. We need more glue. Okay, so it's gonna be sticky. But we can put some more activator. Oh, I put a more activator. Oh, ew. It's sticky. It's stickiness. This is the old tunnel raft, making a slime fluffy and stop stickiness then slime. It's in it for them 45 years. 5. No! Don't come in! No! So this is fluffy slime, okay? So this is the first time I made the slime and YouTuber. It's like a tangerine. It's just like fluffy and tangerine. there's like an thing into the sun. So I'm gonna get all of the stuff in here. So I have. So it's not the French for glue and activator. This is the best day ever, guys. Look at that, it turned into slime. Look at that slime, guys. It has this. Look at that clipping slime. So let's make another slime. Okay, so look at that, look at that. This is the fluffiest slime. Even I did not put some activator. So let's make another slime. So let's put in here. Only a little bit. So it's not gonna see through. Let's go. Put some. Mixed it. Now put some activator. Oh, finished. This is the part 2. It's gonna be the most effective slime. It's sticky. All of the slime was making a slime is sticky. Ew. Look at that. It's so sticky. I don't need to put some activator because it's too stickiness. It's just kind of condense things. So it's gonna be sticky if I. Oh, see, ew, stickiness. It's sticky. It's why I more than morning this. Okay, so I'm gonna work it. Okay, so I'm not gonna use this more activator because it's so many. So I'm already done with the glue, Elmer's glue. So this is gonna be fun. It's playtime. So I'm gonna mix this one for this one. Oh, I can peel it. I can peel everything if I mix it. Oh, that's okay. Blink. I already mixed it. It's a big slime. It's a big slime, guys. Look. In my eyes. Wow, this is a perfect slime. See, cute little flamingo slime. I just say flamingo because it's so nice, flamingo. Oh my god. It's so nice. I got a fluffy slime. Mama, I love fluffy slime. It's nice. Yeah, I love slime. Oh, look at this. I got a slime. This is my first time making a slime and it come true for the 10 subscribers salvation. QNS to Bolton. I love slime. The first salvation. Click this, click this, click this, click this. Oh, I'm sorry. Click. This is click the subscribe button and like and share and prefer to my video. Just like my video, please. Because I just made this one myself, and I want to make a big bubble. And I want to have a mini like this. Okay. I want to make a big bubble. Okay. Okay. This is the fluffies. Oh, it popped. This is the fluffiest slime ever.